Hi, Mr. Unker here, and in this video I'm looking at a problem that a friend of mine asked me about, um, where he was looking at some Praxis problems. And in this problem we're trying to find the roots of the polynomial x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 24. And they give you potential solutions. You see in the solutions A, B, and C will have one of the roots being 3. D will have one of the roots being negative 3. So what I'm going to try and do is through synthetic division, I'm going to test out 3. If 3 works, then I know I can eliminate D. And I also know, will, through using synthetic division, will have a quadratic which I can simply factor and find the other roots. All right, so let's use some synthetic division to figure out if 3 works. Coefficient in front of x cubed is 1. Coefficient in front of x squared is 3. Coefficient in front of x is negative 10. And we have the constant negative 24 at the end. And we are testing out 3. Okay, so I bring down the 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Negative 10 plus 18 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. And negative 24 plus 24 is 0. So we have a remainder of 0. 3 does work, meaning that D will not work. Okay. All right. Okay, so now we've got a quadratic left that's x squared plus 6x plus 8. So to factor this, we've got our a, the coefficient in front of x squared is equal to 1. So we can list the factors of 8, which are 1 and 8, and 2 and 4. And we want them to add to a positive 6. So I'm not going to use any negative factors. I'm going to pick 2 and 4 because they add to 6. So we have factors into x plus 2 times x plus 4 . Okay, now remember, when we're looking for the roots, it's when the polynomial is equal to 0. Okay, so now we can set each of these individual factors equal to 0 and solve. So x plus 2 equals 0. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. And we get x equals negative 2. And if we do the same thing, set x plus 4 equal to 0. Subtract 4 from both sides. And we're going to get x equals negative 4. Our roots are going to be negative 2, positive 3, and negative 4, which corresponds with solution A. So A is our answer. Now, in the explanation that he was going through in his practice book, it did mention that you want to get the roots to multiply to a positive number. Okay. The reason being is when in factored form, the numbers with the binomial factors multiply to a negative number to get negative 24. But remember, when using the zero product property, if we have a positive 2 here, it's going to change to a negative 2 over here. If we have a positive 4, it's going to change to a negative 4. So since they multiply to a negative number when they are in binomial factors, they will multiply to a positive number outside of them. So, if you were going to eliminate answers that way, you could eliminate C and D. I like testing out 3 first because it's either going to, since it's in 3 of the solutions, if it doesn't work, then it's automatically D. If it does work, you've got a quadratic, which you can simply factor very quickly. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching.